Chicken Farcha is a popular Parsi dish which is served on festive occasions like weddings, birthdays and even family dinners. It's an extremely simple recipe, so let's see how to make the Chicken Farcha. So I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. You can use chicken with the bone, which is normally the way in which the farcha is made, but I'm going to serve the chicken farcha as an evening snack to my family, and so I thought I should make small bite-sized portions. To that I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, around a tablespoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, squeeze half a lemon in this, add some finely chopped coriander leaves, about a tablespoon, and let's add the salt. Mix this well. Marinate the meat for at least half an hour. The more you marinate it, the better the farcha will taste. But at least for half an hour, let's marinate this. We marinated the meat for about half an hour, and now we're going to simply coat these small succulent pieces of meat with bread crumbs. So I have a cup of bread crumbs here. And I'm going to take each piece and just flatten it out, press it hard onto the breadcrumb so that the breadcrumb sticks on the meat. I've kept a kadai with oil to be heated over here because we're going to fry the farchas. I have 2 eggs here which I'm going to beat. Add a little salt to it. Just a pinch of salt. And then let's beat the eggs. And now what we're simply going to do is, the oil is nice and hot. I'm going to take each piece of the chicken, just dip it into the egg and simply fry them. After a minute or two, let's just turn them. I'm going to reduce the flame slightly from a high and between the medium because I want the chicken to cook well from inside as well. I'm already getting an amazing aroma. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes. The farchas were frying in hot oil. It's got a beautiful color. Now let's get them out of the oil. Let's drain the oil off. For those of you who are very health conscious, you can drain the oil off on a kitchen towel as well. And now the farcha is ready to be served. This beautifully fried, lacy chicken farcha can be served with a ketchup or any green chutney of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.